So, in the back here, there is the eyeball is connected to some motors and actuators, which well, I built this from some 3D printed parts, but generally the design is from another guy. I can put that somewhere. And then there's the wires leading to a servo motor driver. These are the servo motors. That's connected to the Arduino, which has some code running on it, as well as it's connected to this ultrasonic sensor here, which is kind of taped up so you can't see it. But so when you stand in front of the ultrasonic sensor within like a couple centimeters, it tells the motors to jiggle around a little bit. So I can put my hand here and you can see it moving. Yeah, pretty cool.